everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. This is a K-pop song. The title of the song is The Boots by Gugudan. I don't know if I pronounce it right, okay? So let's start. Where's the student? Alright, let's start. So from here, you're gonna walk 4 times. Right first, 1, 2 on the third, 3, cross on 4. Go 5, 6, away on 7, look up on 8. Good job, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, away on 7 and 8. Okay, next. Excuse me, move back. 7, 8. Next from here, you're gonna go 1 and 2. So you need to sit 2, stay on 3 and 4. That's easy. One more time. 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So from here, you're gonna touch 5, hit on 6, this time straight on 7, push on 8. One more time, move back. So 7, 8, go 1 and 2, sit and 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start from the beginning. Slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, from here, simple. You're gonna go back on 1, 2, hit 3, 4. Right, 5, 6, overhead, 7, drop on 8. Got it, one more time. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's go on from here. 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to 4 sharp. Then you're gonna go change on weight 5, 6, touch on 7, 8. Good job. One more time from here. From here. So 5, 6, 7, and go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, start from the beginning. Slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, from here, 7, 8, you do slowly 1, 2, anything, 3, 4, close on 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go on. That's easy. After this, you're gonna use your hips. 1, 2, 3, quick, 5, 6. Then right on your face first, set, bend, 8. Then you're gonna go release it. 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, that's 2 8s. Let's continue. Let's review one more time. From here, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, anything, 2, 3, 4, close, 5, 6, 7. Hips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 8, sorry. Start from the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll wait. And 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Straight and back. 1, 2, 3, 7. Look to your right. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. 5, 6, 7. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick, quick. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next from 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So this one you're gonna go 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Close on 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Then lift on 1. You can jump. Back to original. Go 1. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, walk, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and lift. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6. Look to your right, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close and right, left, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments on our video. Okay? And if you like this kind of video in my channel, please do check my playlist. There's a lot of videos, choreography, tutorials, contemporary, sexy, hip-hop, and some stupid vlogs. Alright? Bye-bye. See you next time.